This kit is for a 2021 Polaris XP4 1000. This is not for the newer one in the background. This is actually for this machine here, and it's gonna be meshing up this whole deal here. I'm gonna keep the wind and the elements and everything.
Check it out. Check it out. StarknightMT, baby.
All right, cool.
Let's see what they got to offer here.
All right, so these are gonna be the rears.
The one with the tag is the front. Yep. Now
let's do your driver door first.
That would be this one here. Yes, sir.
Got our instructions here. Ronnie is going to park this vehicle on a level field. Turn the ignition switch and set the parking brake. Refer to the sewn label to match and install the appropriate cover in the right parts of the seat. So that's this guy here that we're talking about. That's going to be on the outside because you want to be swagging out. You know what I mean? You got them labels. He is doing the 3 tie-down top straps around the roof roll. So we roll these around the roof. Boom, boom, boom. These are the ones that stay on all the time. These are the ones that clip on right here. That's going to be cool. That's going to be a trick right there. Oh, dude, that's awesome.
Oh, they got a bunch of them so it holds it tight, too.
So you got 2 straps up top. Boom, boom. You look like you got a mosquito problem, dude. There you go. Now you're thinking with your dipstick. We got Tristan over here putting these.
You couldn't.
All right. We're finishing up strapping around the back. And then you got quick release buckles at the front to release. Just finishing up these quick release tabs here. And these are those access areas. Last one, baby. You should go below. Nope, we should not go below because there's a plate there. Plate, that's how hungry I am. I'm talking about dishware.
Here.
Don't ask me what that noise was. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Good thing I installed that thing fully by myself. And Tristan didn't help at all. Alright. So Ronnie, we're held in. We're just strapped around the rear, strapped on the front, and then we got these quick releases here. That's gonna go and help that peel. You'll peel back to get in there. Let's get those installed real quick, and then we'll come back when we're testing it all out. No. All right, they clipping in.
Can you reach it?
Oh, I didn't even link these together. Oh, yeah, we did.
Oh, this is tough.
Look, this one here, Mike. There's a clip here too. Now we're ready for a winter ride or a ride with you're sitting in the sun going slow. If you're in some traffic jams, any kind of stuff, it really repels it off. Let's go for a ride. Let's check this out. That's the wind. I mean, look at his beard.
Nice, no fluff.
Not even moving.
Buy a cigarette in this boat. Yeah, you can.
Sight right there. Can't even these nets, dude.
So you can take it unclip from down here, clip it right on up here. I did a little hook
Now
on
you
that
can-
to hold it back more. So
Now you can hang your arm out. Look, there you go. Check him out. Check him out.
Machine, baby.
Check him out. All right, that's gonna do it for this window.
All right,
net
hold
install.
on,
Oh,
hold on.
Oh, you gotta put the stickers on.
Forgot
dude.
about the sticker.
There you go.
I want to say thanks again, StarknightMT.com. Go get your own nets.
Pick up some nets, and why aren't you subscribed?